V.O. Chidambaram College was founded in 1951 to meet the emerging needs of a newly liberated country and is administered by the V.O. Chidambaram Educational Society, named after the great freedom fighter and Tamil scholar V.O. Chidambaram. It was a challenging initiative by the eminent statesman, scholar and philanthropist Kulapati A.P.C. Veerabahu, who saw in education the power to equip, empower and galvanize the youth for nation building. The foundation stone for this esteemed institution was laid by Thiru Kumarasamy Raja, who was the then Chief Minister of Chennai region. With the vision and drive, that is, education for all, with which the college was started, the institution was and still is the first and the best option for the youth of this area. What was seeded 70 years ago as an intermediate college is today a distinguished center for higher education, offering 12 undergraduate programs, 10 postgraduate programs, and also is a recognized research center for 10 disciplines. The college, through its 69 years of journey, has crossed several hurdles and grown by leaps and bounds to stand tall of what it is today. Recognized under UGC 2F and 12B, it is also re-accredited with A grade by NAC in 3 continuous cycles and ranked 77th position in the National Institution Ranking Framework NIRF. V.O. Chidambaram College has hosted several eminent statesmen, educationists, intellectuals and prominent personalities from all spheres since its inception. To name a few: Presidents Shri V.V. Giri, Shri Venkatraman; Prime Minister Shri Jawaharlal Nehru, Shri Lal Bahadur Shastri, Shrimati Indira Gandhi, Shri Rajiv Gandhi; Governors like Prabhudas Patwari; Chief Ministers like Shri Kamaraj, Purachit Talevar M.G. Ramachandran, Kalaignar Karunanidhi have set their footprints in this soil. Very few institutions in India can boast of such great honors. The college has crossed several milestones in its pathway to reach its success of today. V.O. Chidambaram College has celebrated the birth centenary of Mahatma Gandhi, VOC centenary year, Silver Jubilee, Golden Jubilee, Diamond Jubilee, centenary year of our founder secretary A.P.C. Veerabahu, 150th birth year of Mahatma Gandhi are a few achievements the college has surpassed on its way. Kulapati A.P.C. Veerabahu, the founder of this esteemed institution, was no ordinary man. He was a legend by himself, sporting different phases and achievements in varied avenues. Education should not be commercialized was the motto behind the starting of the college, proving that the education is the birthright of each individual. Our founder, Kulapati A.P.C. Veerabahu, was a multifaceted personality, proving his efficiency in such varied fields like politics, industrial, religious, cooperative society, etc. Our founder secretary was a man who won the hearts of people by his simplicity. He had a political career in that he was the member of All India Congress Committee. He was elected as a MLA for 2 times from Srivaigundam constituency from 1957 to 1967. He was also the Tamil Nadu Congress Committee President in 1972. He has held various important public posts like the President of Dakshina Bharat Hindi Prachar Sabha, Chairman of South Indian Bank. He also established Chidambaram Cooperative Housing Society and the Korambalam Industrial Estate in 1963. He was a successful educationist in that he founded V.O. Chidambaram College in 1951, V.O. Chidambaram College of Education in 1955, A.P.C. Mahalakshmi College for Women in 1973. These are some of the positions he held with simplicity and administrative competence, creating a niche for himself. Kamarajar in 1961, when he was inaugurating the memorial of V.O. Chidambaram, reiterated that the college started in the name of V.O. Chidambaram was more everlasting and a fitting tribute than the memorial, and attributed the credit and greatness to Kulapati APC Veerabahu. Such was the fame earned by our founder secretary. Today, the responsibility of carrying the legacy of Kulapati ahead has been handed over to Thiru APCV Chokkalingam, the present secretary of the college. A worthy son of a worthier father, he has upheld the founding spirit of Kulapati. The dreams of our founder secretary is being brought true by the dedicated and principled leadership of APCV Chokkalingam, who took up this stewardship about 40 years ago in 1982. Due to his strenuous efforts, about 7 PG courses, 6 MPhil courses, 10 departments were elevated as research departments. He donated the amount generated for his money villa towards the setting up of the competitive examinations wing in the college library. He has held several positions in various fields, and to name a few, he was the President's V.O. Chidambaram Educational Society, President, All India Hindi Prachar Sabha Trichy Zone, Vice President, Hindi Prachar Sabha Chennai Division, and he was also the VC Search Panel Committee member for Manonmanim Sundarnar University, Tirunelveli for 3 times. He is the Secretary of the Management Association of Manonmanim Sundarnar University, Tirunelveli, member in many board of directors. He has been the President and the Vice President of Tuticorin Permanent Front for 35 years. He has been the member of Indian Chamber of Commerce and so on. He proved his efficiency in all the posts he has held. Together with Kulapati, Professor A. Srinivasa Raghavan, the first principal and a Sahitya Academy awardee, took upon himself the demanding task of transforming the vision into reality. The two were a synthesis of tenacity, grit, and resilience, and under their care and navigation, the college grew and expanded, drawing students, faculty, and intellectuals from far and near. The platform on which the college stands tall today was built not by cement and mortar, but by the hard work, blood, and sweat of yesteryear teachers and principals who had contributed their relentless service to the upliftment of this institution. Here we have before us a glimpse of our yesteryear principals. Dr. C. Veerabahu adorned the chair of the principal as the youngest principal to do so in the history of the college in 2012. He was the 8th in the line of his predecessors. He has several credentials to his name in his 23 years of experience. He is the syndicate member of Manonmanim Sundarnar University, Tirunelveli. He has 3 major research projects under his belt, published 3 books, a recognized research guide by Manonmanim Sundarnar University, Tirunelveli. He is the 3rd generation of his familial tree in that he is the grandson of our founder secretary, Kulapati Shri APC Veerabahu. In his 8 years tenure as a principal, the greatest level to his crown is that he has been conferred the Best Principal Award in 2019. The National Assessment and Accreditation Council is the autonomous institution of the UGC, which grades the institution based on quality of higher education. Our college has the esteemed pride of obtaining A grade continuously in the past 3 years of accreditation cycle since 2004. To enhance academic performance of the college, through conscious, consistent and catalytic action, V.O. Chidambaram College has an internal quality assurance cell, IQAC, which was started in 2005. It stimulates the academic environment for quality teaching and learning and for promotion of quality research. The IQAC was instrumental in elevating the college to the 77th position in the All India level in NIRF rankings. The other accomplishments of the present IQAC are getting the UGC Paramash scheme worth 30 lakhs to act as a mentor for NAC non-accredited institutions and also guiding 5 colleges in Tuticorin and Tirunelveli district. As an endorsement of IQAC's strenuous efforts, VOC College was granted 88 lakhs under the scheme for transdisciplinary research for India's developing economy, STRIDE, under the component 1 for the promotion of research for the development of the socio-economic condition of the region. It was indeed a remarkable achievement, as it was only one among the other 3 colleges in Tamil Nadu to be selected for this scheme. The education offered is complete only in wholesome development. Goes a saying, true to these words, the college focuses on skill development of students, for which it has signed MOUs with Bharatdasan University, MOUs for Multilinguistic Center for Foreign Language with Inner Word Chennai, MOU with BitStep for spoken English courses, MOU with Mumbai IIT for multi-skill development, with ONGC for research, and with Tuticorin Fisheries Research Institute affiliated to Tamil Nadu Jayalalitha Fisheries University for entrepreneurship training programs and research. These are some of the MOUs signed for the development of the students. There is no exercise better for the heart than reaching down and lifting people up. True to these words, we have instituted 21 scholarships apart from the 15 government scholarships. Notable among them being Kalvi Thandai APC Veerabahu Memorial Scholarship, APCV Chokkalingam Manivila Trust Scholarship, Satya Sai Scholarship, which are being given worth several lakhs of rupees. Spread over a sprawling 65 acres of land, Vivo Chidambaram College welcomes you with an imposing Golden Jubilee arch and a bronze statue of Vivo Chidambaram at the entrance. A huge administrative block houses the office, a gigantic auditorium, a state-of-the-art conference hall, audio-visual halls, smart classrooms, computer labs and seminar halls are all part of the infrastructure. A budding professional has to be physically, mentally, emotionally and intellectually top in this field. This can be realized through intensive sporting programs and excellent sporting facilities. Vivo Chidambaram College provides such an environment which facilitates the optimal efficiency and effectiveness for the emerging dynamic students community. The college provides the best coaching facilities to groom the potential lying hidden among the students. The Department of Physical Education of Vivo Chidambaram College has an excellent infrastructure to meet the sporting requirements and regular physical exercise. The college has a newly constructed indoor stadium of 9,800 square feet funded by the UGC, meant for shuttle, badminton, table tennis, volleyball, basketball, kabaddi and carom. A synthetic and a floodlit tennis court spanning an area of 7,700 square feet at the cost of 30 lakhs is the newly added jewel in the crown of VOC. A multi-purpose gymnasium has also been constructed with financial assistance from UGC, Hyderabad, with a spatial area of 9,600 square feet. The college has a unique distinction of being a nodal center of IIRS program Dehradun for conducting certificate courses in remote sensing and GIS. The PG and Research Department of Zoology has a unique pride of having a mesmerizing museum, one of the biggest museums of southern Tamil Nadu. Skeletons of various animals, especially of an elephant, are the symbols of this museum. More than 3,000 specimens add value to the eyes and ears of anyone visiting the museum. The SPIC Research Center, which was constructed by the contribution from SPIC Industries in 1998, is the research hub of our college and is also another value addition to our college. To inculcate the scientific temper and interest in young minds, Vivo Chidambaram College joined hands with DST and conducted internship camps since 2011 consecutively for 7 years. Several notable and world-renowned scientists have visited this institution, notable among them being Padma Bhushan Dr. Mayilsamy Annadurai, former ISRO Director Bangalore, and Mr. Sivadhanu Pillai, Director BrahMos Missile Mission. The college, in collaboration with ISRO Propulsion Complex, Mahendragiri, hosted a 3 days expo from 9th October to 11th October 2019. The well-furnished infrastructure of the college catered to the setting up of real rocket engines and models which awestruck the spectators. About 45,000 people, including public, college and school students, visited the expo. This expo has pinned a college name in the map of UNESCO for celebrating the World Space Week. The college has extended its social responsibilities by conducting Young Student Scientist Program sponsored by Tamil Nadu State Council for Science and Technology. It took upon itself training and nurturing young minds of 100 government school children of Tuticorin and Ramanathapuram districts to become future scientists by conducting an internship program for 15 days. The college has extended its helping hand in improving the society by conducting programs sponsored by TNSE and ST, not only for the schools, students and colleges, but also for empowering women in self-help groups to be more independent and self-employed so that their social status is improved. Hands-on training have been imparted to them in seaweed culture and azolla cultivation. To rejuvenate and enlighten the villages, Indian government initiates Unnat Bharat Abhiyan scheme, which has been sanctioned for V.O. Chidambaram College, which is a great social initiative and responsibility. Our college is having an active and dynamic placement cell constituted in 2004, catering to the placement needs of the students. It plays a pivotal role in bridging the gap between the industry and the academia. It gives effective counseling and guiding the students for their successful career placement, which is a crucial interface between the stages of completion of the academic program of the students and their entry into suitable employment. In the year 2019-20, the college conducted 2 mega placement drives in which 3,250 students have participated and about 50 companies were invited. The students are not only offered good quality education but are also trained morally and taught human values and ideals for life. Distinguished invited speakers deliver motivational speeches to inspire the students to attain success. Jayanta Shri Balakrishnan, Shyamala Babu, Suhi Suvam, to name a few. Not only education, festivities are along a part of a college. We have been celebrating our traditional festival of Tamil Nadu, Pongal, since 2016. With pomp and splendor, students participate actively in it. The Department of Physical Education has produced numerous sports persons who have gone on to represent the nation, the state, and the university. Many of them have been placed in various government undertakings and banks for their achievement and acumen in sports. The department has also organized a national level seminar on sports medicine. The college has carved a name for itself by winning several trophies and medals. Being a co-educational institution and having about 1,250 girl students, the college has a separate women counseling center to look into and cater to the gender issues and make them feel comfortable. Several programs like talks on cybercrime, personal safety, street plays, and several competitions are organized now and then to sensitize them on gender issues and to empower the students. The dream of Abdul Kalam, that of holistic development for students, is also the mantra of V.O. Chidambaram College. The Youth Welfare Department functions with many expertise in different fields of arts and music, under which students enhance their skills and excel in different national and state level competitions. They won the overall champions in Shizyas in arts and dance conducted at Srimat Andavan College, Trichy, won the overall championship in Vyuha being conducted by Madurai Medical College every 3 years. They have also won the overall championship at the Fisheries College and Research Institute for the past 3 years consecutively. The college has a special publication department which is constantly engaged in bringing out various literary and research publications. Cuckoo is an international literary magazine from the Postgraduate and Research Department of English, published twice a year, January and July. The magazine focuses on recent literature in English and aims at bringing literature to laymen. Outreach is a multidisciplinary research journal which is published annually. VivoCC Times is the official newsletter of a college. It is published twice a year since 2004. It carries our campus news. Apart from this, several departments also release newsletters biannually which carries articles of students and faculty. MaxMist from Max Department, Chemlit from Chemistry Department, Floret from the Botany Department, EcoChat from the Economics Department are a few. The college helps to promote several awareness campaigns for the social cause, like conducting voter awareness camp through street plays, road safety awareness programs are all a part of it. Ministry of Human Resource Development, MHRD, Government of India, has established the MHRD's Innovation Cell, MIC, to systematically foster the culture of innovation amongst all higher education institutions. The college has also set its footprints in this to take the lead in developing an integrated approach to innovation and entrepreneurship, extending from fundamental science to humanities, obtaining 3 stars for the various institutional activities it has carried out. Encourages, inspires, and nurtures young students by supporting them to work with new ideas and transform them into prototypes, thus inculcating the spirit of innovativeness and creativity and developing an innovation ecosystem. Going hand in glove with this is the Entrepreneurship Development Cell, which was established in a college with a vision to introduce and promote entrepreneurship skills among the students. The mission of the EDP cell is to develop institutional mechanism to create entrepreneurial culture in the institution and to foster growth of innovation and entrepreneurship among the faculty and students. VU Chidambaram College has been organizing a staff get-together for its faculty members for the past 2 years, which is a real stress buster. The college offers several student support services for their welfare and benefits. Our college supports and helps students in getting passports, getting their driving licenses, internet facilities, Xerox typing facilities, facilitating online applications, and completing projects are being offered by the Student Amenity Center at the college. VivoC Academy functions to train students for competitive exams. The college conducts VivoC Bazaar, and it also boasts of having NSS, NCC, Navy, Youth Red Cross units to train and guide the students to be equipped to face the social problems and societal skills. There is more happiness in giving than in receiving. In line with the above words, VIVO Chidambaram College always extends its helping hands in times of disaster and natural calamities. It has generously donated for China War Fund, Kargil War Fund, Kerala and Chennai Flood Relief, and now for the Corona Relief Fund. The college has produced more than 1 lakh graduates so far. The graduates are not only qualified with their degrees, but also with the holistic development of potentials to take upon the trials and tribulations of life with endurance and positivity. Such success stories are plenty, with its alumni network spread throughout the world, occupying top positions in various fields. Apart from producing graduates, the college has placed the distinction of having its graduates being placed at very high and esteemed positions in all walks of life throughout the world. A few of them being Armugham Manthiram, an alumni of VIVO Chidambaram College, who was the presenter in the Nobel Prize Selection Committee for the Nobel Laureate John P. Goodenough in Chemistry. The retired IAS officer, Mr. Ramaya, the vigilance officer in the state, Mr. Pon Manikavel IPS, the Vice Chancellor of Tirunelveli Manonmaniam Sundarnath University, Dr. Pichumani, the Vice Chancellor of Tiruchi Bharatdasan University, Dr. Manishankar, the famous playback singer Anantha Narayanan are all prestigious alumni of Vivo Chidambaram College. Education is a powerful exercise to learn values and skills for life. This campus is a place of innovation, experimentation, and diversity. This institution has continued to grow and expand, updating to developments of this changing world, but still remaining true to its motto of love, wisdom, and virtue. At the helm is its management that credits every single achievement to its committed team of faculty, administrative staff, and a responsive student community. Behind this success is the uncompromising spirit that insists on transparency, participation, and accountability. Vivo Chidambaram College is an institution into which a student can enter with hope and exit with pride. We can say that the gates of Vivo Chidambaram College is the gateway of knowledge open to anyone who wants to attain the pathway of success.